Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today we are doing the unboxing of the latest kit by DaySpring. This is March's kit 2018, and it's called All Things New. So it just came in the mail, and I thought it would be really fun for us to go ahead and unbox it together. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Move that out of the way. So it's the All Things New kit, and comes in the cardboard that you can, if you don't rip it like I just did, you can actually still reuse it, even though I ripped it really bad this time. Darn. Okay, so let's take a peek at this kit. And it comes with the standard envelope that I like. I really do like these because it makes it portable. If I just want to throw it in my purse and bring it along wherever I go, I can just throw everything in here. And, you know, it also, you can throw like another, if you have some ink or something, you can throw it in there too and bring it along with. Or if you have a couple of these, you can just store a lot of things in there. Your embellishments, all kinds of things can be stored in here. So this is really a pretty geometric looking kit, isn't it? How fun. Okay, so All Things New. The note says, "Hi lovely, I can't wait for you to dig into this month's focus of all the ways that God is making all things new. There's lots of scripture to look up, explore, respond to in creative ways, even a song to listen to on your favorite media location. Have fun and remember that nothing is out of God's reach, Shanna." Look how cute that is. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. And we'll start today with the stickers because I love the stickers. So they say, "Oh, I just think these are really pretty colors." It says and it matches what I'm wearing. It says, "He pours out mercy, hope." There's some music. These are the banners. They're the same banners that come every month. The same exact kind of the hearts and the pointers and the banners are all the same every month, but they just do a different graphic. So you can get used to using the same type of element time and time again, which is cool. This one says, "He makes new ways, all things new, new creation, God at work, the way He creates new people, good things ahead." And those are just really pretty colors. I just love the palette they chose this month. And we have, it looks like we have the tip-ins this month again. So we have righteous, peace, joy, hope and future, all good things. And then it has these three different verses: Isaiah 43:19, Romans 12:2, and then Ruth 4:15. That's really pretty. I like that. So you get that. Then you get, what is this? What is this? It's a sticker, and it says All Things New. So it's a sticker. It's a cardstock sticker. That's cool. Then you get, let's see, the cards. It says He makes new ways, Isaiah 43:19. He transforms, Romans 12:2. He restores life, Ruth 4:15. He creates new people, 2 Corinthians 5:17. He starts over, Lamentations 3:22 through 23. He renews strength. Isaiah 40:31. He pours out mercy, Romans 6:4. He wins, amen, Revelations 21:5. So you know I'm going to do that one first, right? Let's look at the back of these two. So we have 1, 2, 3, session 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! There's 8 sessions to work through, so you'll be busy all month with this kit if you get it. That is awesome. Fantastic. I love good content. I love when these devotionals have good content for us to dive deep into the Word, because that's important. That's why we do Bible journaling, right? We do Bible journaling so that we can dive deep into the Word. Fantastic. Alright, so I wanted to also show you, I didn't think I showed you the back of these, so let's see if there's anything on the back of these. You're seeing this kit as soon as I see this kit, and they're just really great. So I love the palette, it's really pretty. So this kit really is about how God restores us and renews our mind to match His. There's just so much to do with this kit, and it's just going to be so much fun. So this one, and if I can find something maybe a white piece of paper to put behind it so you can see. You're getting, again, some of the geometric. You're getting the triangles and the little dot, and it says He makes all things new in the script writing. Looks like marker kind of writing. And then you're getting the pretty butterfly. That is really cute, fabulous. And then lastly, you're going to get the washi tape, and it's going to be a geometric one just to match. So you're going to be able to just have all kinds of fun with these colors. Look at these colors. They're just really trendy colors. So good job, Illustrated Faith. These are, I'm telling you, like purple and geometric prints are totally in. So yay for having stuff that is in and really useful for Bible journaling. Let me go ahead and just kind of zoom in a little bit so you can just get a close-up. Looks like I'm out of range for some of these, but that's okay. I'll bring them in on this side so you can see. All right, I hope that this kit is exciting to you as it is to me and encourages you to grow in the Word creatively this month. I hope you enjoyed our unboxing, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up, like us, and subscribe. You have a fabulous day now. Bye-bye.